friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our welcome video training complete course is continue, and in this video you will learn about the function of these tools: true view, show stitches, show outlines, show needle points, show grid, and show rulers. uh, we have completed the drawing tools. We have learned that how to make the drawing, because we have learned all the drawing tools. Now we are going to learn punching mean designing, how to make the design. So now we are going to learn the designing, and after that we will learn traveling mean how to remove the trims and jumps. And after that we will do exercise also. In these exercises we will make complete designs also. So this is a complete video training course, and these are all the topics. So if you are watching this video first time on YouTube and any other website like Dailymotion, Vimeo, etc., so I want to tell you that for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training course. So now in this video our topic is show true view, show stitches, show outline, show needle points, show grid, and show rulers. This video is a short video, and in this video I will tell you only the function of these tools, because now we are going to learn the punching and traveling, and in punching and traveling these tools are mostly used. Now press D button, so hide the image. We have learned all these things in the previous videos. So now these are all the tools. This is the true view, show stitches, show outline, show needle point, and this is the ruler, grid, and ruler. So now first I make the some separate zoom. So now here you can see that this is a true view position. In true view position, when we make the design, we oftenly make the design in true view position. Okay, we oftenly make the design in true view position. This is the true view position. If I turn off true view, these are all the buttons. This is the true view button. Okay, this is the plugin of true view. If I turn off the true view position, the design will show like this. When we make the traveling mean remove trims and jumps, so we turn off the true view, and this is the traveling. These are all the traveling tools we use. These all tools for making traveling mean remove trims and jumps. So this is the traveling mode. When in true view we cannot we cannot make traveling of the design. So we oftenly, or not oftenly, we must turn off the true view function, true view button, to make the traveling. So if you have to turn on true view, you can click here and you can turn on or show true view position. And if you have turned off the true view, so you can click here again and you can turn off the true view position. The shortcut of true view is T. You can press the T button from your keyboard to show and hide true view position. To turn off or turn on true view position, its shortcut is T. Okay, now the second is show stitches. Show stitches mean if you want to show stitches, so you can on this position, and if you don't want, you can turn off this position. Okay, show stitches, turn on and turn off. This is the button of show stitches. Show stitches shortcut is S. You can press S button from your keyboard to turn on or turn off show stitches. Its shortcut key is S. And now the other tool is show outlines. If you want to show outlines, you can press this button and if don't, you can press this button. So this is the button for outlines. If I make some more zoom and turn off the needle points, this is outlines, show outlines. This button only show the outlines. For example, if I turn off this button, the outlines will remove. Now there is one more thing, that the drawing of the design is also showing this. This is not the outline, this is drawing. So I remove that, I turn off the design, I mean hide the design. This is the plugin of show vectors. You can add this tool in the topic also. This is the, if I press a 0 button, show all design, and this is drawing. This is drawing mean this all these objects is make with drawing tools. All these drawing tools mostly used by Polyline. So this is drawing. If you want to show your drawing, I think I have already described this tool. So if not, you can learn here that this is the drawing shortcut tool. You can click here to show that all the drawing, and again click here to hide the drawing. And this is the outlines. Outlines mean all the design which we have punch by these tools. These are all the punching tools. Okay, so the design which we have make with the punching tools, this tool only show the outlines, and these are the needle points. If you want to show the needle points, if I make some more zoom, so these are all the needle points. If you want to show the needle points, you can click here, and if you want to hide, so you can click here. So these are all the tools. Here I want to tell something, that if you want to see the outlines, show stitches or show outlines, for example, if you want to see the show stitches, you must turn off the true view position. For example, I turn off show stitches, I turn off show stitches, so stitches are not showing. So if you have to see the show stitches, you must turn off the true view position. When you will turn off the true view position, then you will be able to see the show stitches. And then if you want to see the outlines accurately, so you have to turn off the show stitches. When you will turn off the show stitches and show needle points, then you will be able to see the outlines. So these are all the things. You can note all these shortcuts on your notebook, because after a long time we oftenly forget these tools. So now this is show grid and show rulers. If you want show grid values, you can click here, the grid values will be show. And if you want rulers, you can click here. So you can click here to show or turn off or hide or turn off show rulers and show grid values. And this is the outline. If I turn off all the design, this is the drawing outlines. Okay, so this was a short video about these functions of the functions of these tools, because now we are going to learn punching mean designing, and traveling mean remove, trims and jumps. So I hope you will like this video, and for all updates you must to subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in next video. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.